Morning, guys. June 7, 2024. This one here I got a call from a guy. Used to be a contractor, and he had some guy put an air conditioning system in for him years ago, and the guy's no longer in business or something. He wants me to go by there and give it a charge. Sounds like an old R22 system. So depends if we're gonna do the lombardo on this thing and see how low it is. How low will it go? We'll see. Can't be too low. If it's too low, don't need a new system. See, Molly. Hopefully it's not. Hopefully it's something stupid. Capacitor or wire, burnt wire or something. Miss Molly's high maintenance. High maintenance, Miss Molly. You are high maintenance. You're high maintenance, Miss Molly. You're high maintenance. You are high maintenance. You are high maintenance. You retired now?
I'm retired.
Huh?
Yeah. What do you call it? My partner passed away with cancer, so I took a couple of years to take care of him.
Oh, that's not good, huh? It was a slow process?
Well, we went to the old country, came back. She was a hairdresser. We owned a beauty salon for years.
So she was a good woman, huh? You hate to see her go.
Oh, hell yeah.
That's too bad.
It was too good for me, actually. I was a piece of shit. Anyways, yeah, she used to complain about her back. Go to the doctor. Oh, you're on your feet all day. It's sciatic.
It's got a hard start, kid on. Let's see if it starts. She's starting.
Yeah, so we came back and I got pissed off at her. We went to the Azores for a couple of weeks. I told her, I said, you got insurance, go see a doctor. Just rip that off. Just cut it with your hands. Don't worry about that shit. You're on your way.
Oh, the plants? I'll be all right.
Yeah, just knock it down. Anyways.
See a smoker? 4 tons.
Never smoked, and I never smoked. But
this is a 22.
Days, the aerosols and this, but fucking doctors, I like to. We need them, but I like to put my hands around their neck and just squeeze them, because it's all about money.
Yeah, unfortunately, huh?
What do you call it? She had radiation. She had chemos, and she had gone. I think it was on a Tuesday or something. Have a scan on her head, and he calls her up on a fucking Friday, like he was gonna do something. Calls, oh, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. You didn't have 2 small ones in your head, you have 6. But he called on the weekend, so I told him, I said, listen, you asshole. Why would you even bother calling? Why didn't you just wait until Monday and call? So what are you gonna do? Made a weekend like shit? Well, I'm sorry. So she went and see him, and he says, oh.
I think you're just a little low on Freon, most likely.
Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully it's not too low.
So anyways, she went. I wouldn't go with her to the doctor because she knew I didn't have the temperament for to tolerate them.
Well, you'd probably smack them around.
Oh yeah. Anyways, she comes back and she says, "Oh, he says to have 10 radiations in a row." I says, "You really want to do this?" I says, "Where you are?" I said, "You're eating, really. You're still eating well. Your sisters are here with you every day. You're communicating. You go to the bathroom by yourself." Oh, but he says, it might work. Hey, 10 radiations in a row. Was on a Thursday. She came home. Midnight, she had a seizure. Never woke up from the seizure.
Yeah, and fucking
so
radiation.
Guess how much those 10 radiations was? $137,000.
Oh yeah, that's
See,
all about the money.
He calls up. Oh, I'm sorry. I says, listen, motherfucker. The only reason why I don't go there and throw you out the fucking window is because I got to take care of her son because she had a Down syndrome. I says, that's the only reason, so I don't go to jail. But if it was, I'd go there and I'd take you and throw you out that fucking window. You knew those radiation were going to do nothing. What the radiation, that killed her. It literally killed her.
You know what the problem is? This radiation and shit. It's all about the money. They make money out of it. Doctors make a kickback on that.
Of course. Everything a doctor does, even if we go for our regular checkups, they get kickbacks from pharmaceutical companies. The more they pump into you, they get all...
All right, go turn it on. Go turn it on. It's going to be a little low. We'll just do shit up for you. I'm thinking. find out right now. R22. So this can't draw, this shouldn't be going any below like 60, 64, something like that. This is dropping. Changed the filter, air filter inside? Was it dirty?
Actually, I had taken that out in the winter time. I had a new one there and I stuck it inside.
Crazy bad. Might be a little bit low on Freon, but nothing crazy.
Yeah. It might not have helped either. This past year, when she was, I didn't turn it on that much because she couldn't stand the cold. So I was using more fans than anything else. And I was sleeping upstairs, so I had a window unit, you know what I mean?
You can feel the heat coming out. It's not crazy bad. You could maybe use a little bit, but nothing major. We're at 31 on a superheat, which is a little bit high, but sort of run for a bit. What was the complaint? It wasn't working at all? The cooling, or you didn't find it was cooling enough?
I put it on, I went out, came back, and I'm like, wow, this is usually and I put my hand up, I get the butt in. And usually when I put my hand up there, I could feel the cold.
I mean, it ain't looking bad right where it is, guy. I mean, I'm 25 on a superheat. You know what we could do is I could put some thermometers in there and see. This don't look bad. 27 on a superheat, 66 on a suction. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. We're getting nice and sweaty there. Don't want to sell them shit you don't need. Nothing wrong with this charge. Fine. We're getting a little sweaty there. That's what we want to see. This charge is fine. Nothing wrong with the charge. Nothing wrong with the charge.
Yeah?
I'm not going to throw you a line of shit. That's fine.
Oh, shit.
Maybe you just rushed your judgment.
Could be.
Maybe you didn't get up high enough, because you have to really get up high. I can put thermometers in a ductwork and see what a split is. You feel better with that? Whatever. My truck. Well, you can see that one's already 72 and dropping.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's dropping. Yeah. The reason I was telling you, because over here I have the thermostat piece here, and I was looking, I said, this fucking thing is still at 73, but no, I can feel already the coolness. She's dropping.
Unless you didn't have it on set right. You did?
Yeah. It's on
60. Yeah, it's way too low now, but let's just give it a see what our split is. What's the temperature in here according to that?
72.
72. Yeah, right. Don't forget that this has been in my hot truck too, so.
Yeah. So.
It should be like 12 to 14 on a split.
If it was to me, it was all. I got a 22-year-old, and I take care of the Down syndrome, which was her son.
Yeah, so that's like a full-time job, right?
No, he's actually pretty good. He goes to a program at 8:30 in the
So it
morning.
ain't bad,
He Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, he's up until 8 o'clock.
You told her you take care of the
Oh,
kid?
hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
So this is 75, and that's 60, 62 or 61. So that's 13 on the split, right?
So
Yeah, so that's cooling.
Yeah, it's cool.
That's the way. That should be 12 to 15. You know, it's an older system, and I'm good with that. So put your hand up there. You can feel that.
I could feel it. When I came in, I could feel it.
Yeah, you can see the split difference.
It could have been a fluke. Could have been a fluke. You know, the day that I came in, something.